According to the study led by Professor Krista Varadi, water fasting may offer short-term benefits for weight loss. Individuals who participated in a 5-day fast experienced a significant weight loss of approximately 4% to 6%. Even more astonishing, those who extended their fasting period to 7 to 10 days saw a remarkable weight loss ranging from 2% to 10%. And for those with even more determination, longer fasts lasting 15 to 20 days resulted in an impressive weight reduction of 7% to 10%. However, it's crucial to examine the full picture. It was discovered that the metabolic advantages associated with water fastings, such as improved cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure, tend to diminish shortly after the fasting period concludes. In fact, a comprehensive review of 8 studies showed that these improvements returned to baseline levels once participants resumed their regular eating habits. It's important to note that the study found no serious adverse effects related to water fasting or similar low-calorie fasts. Nonetheless, Professor Varadi emphasizes the utmost importance of seeking medical supervision if considering fasting for more than 5 days. The research team made an intriguing observation. Participants who engaged in an extended fast predominantly lost 2/3 of their weight as lean mass and only 1/3 as fat mass. This diverges from typical weight loss scenarios, where more fat than muscle is typically shed. The main reason for this lies in the body's requirement for a constant protein supply. Without sufficient protein intake during the fast, the body resorts to breaking down muscle tissue. While studies on weight regain after water fasting are limited, available evidence suggests that long-term weight loss may not be sustainable. In one study, participants regained all the weight lost during a 5-day water fast within just 3 months. However, in other studies where participants were encouraged to restrict calorie intake after the fasts, only a small amount of weight was regained. It's worth mentioning that the most commonly reported side effects during prolonged fasts, such as headaches, insomnia, and hunger, were similar to those experienced during intermittent fasting. However, no serious negative effects such as metabolic acidosis or death were observed during the studies. In conclusion, water fasting may yield short-term weight loss benefits, but the long-term effects remain uncertain. The metabolic advantages linked to fasting appear to be temporary, with the possibility of weight regain once normal eating patterns are resumed. Professor Varadi suggests that intermittent fasting might be a more viable option for weight management, as there is stronger evidence supporting its effectiveness. That wraps up today's discussion on water fasting. Remember, before embarking on any fasting regimen, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it aligns with your individual needs. Stay tuned to Health Insights for more informative research updates. Thank you for tuning in to Fitness Tidbits. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fascinating health research updates. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.